Well, day before Christmas, and today, talking about giving. Everyday KT 354. Giving. So, we all know, or a lot of us, most of us know that Christmas is all about giving. Unfortunately, most of us, or everybody's seen the commercialization of Christmas and seen that everybody's out there trying to buy all kinds of crap to give to people just because they want to outdo somebody else's vain effort to outgive someone else. So think about this for a minute. You know, if not even 50 years ago, you know how many people got all kinds of crap under the tree? Not many. 1, 2 gifts, just a handful. 100 years ago? Nah, none. The whole concept of Christmas is to give. And it's not just a pile of crap wrapped in wrapping paper. You know, it's giving of yourself. It's the meaning of what it is that you give. It's your time. It's your effort. It's your love, if that's what you're doing. It is you spending time of your own and your effort to improve the lives of someone else. It's very simple. You don't have to spend $1 million to make somebody else happy. Simply show up and smile on their face. Been talking about this for, well, a year now. Just simple. Help somebody laugh. Help somebody smile. Give. Give the joy of laughter, the joy of connection, the joy of being able to have a conversation with someone without a fight. Just simply being there to support one another, to give of your time. Because ultimately that's the most valuable thing you have. Doesn't matter if you spend $500,000 on some badass car. Guess what? It's a car. So what? I get a Matchbox car. I got a whole crap load of them. Those are cars too. Can't fit in them, but that's not the point. It's just a thing. It's your time. It's your energy. It is your ability to help someone else smile and be happier and be more fulfilled and have a feeling of belonging. So, next couple of days, well, next couple of the rest of your life, try that out. Give more of your time. Money just pays the bills, gets shit paid for, fed. It's a necessary evil. But your time, well, that goes without saying, is easily the most valuable thing you have. And how you spend it and who you spend it with speaks volumes as to who you are and what kind of person you are. So, do something awesome. Go out there tomorrow, day after tomorrow, the next week, the next month, and help people be better. Help people smile. Help them be happier. Help them simply by you showing up. Maybe they get a kick out of whatever you do. Maybe you can make them laugh by some kind of comedic joke or whatever. Maybe you can make them happier by simply talking to them about who's playing what game. Maybe you can sit down and play checkers with someone and they'll be happier and be more fulfilled and smile. That's my challenge to you and anybody you know. Help someone smile. Help them see past all the bull, all the crap, all the stuff that drags us down, and just smile, even if it's just for a minute. So, day before Christmas, a lot of people going out for some shenanigans tonight. Tomorrow, it's either going to be psychoticness at the stores, or psychoticness in the kitchen, or preparations for shenanigans. So it's going to be crazy no matter what happens. So you guys be safe tomorrow. Have an awesome time. And I'm going to see if I can find my Christmas dabblings in Kiltology. I will regale you with the recipe. Is it in this one? Nope. For scotch eggnog. So, here it is. Kiltology number 228. Kiltology Volume 2. It's on Amazon. Go get a copy. I've created a wonderful treat. What you need: 1 bottle of Lefroy, 10 years old. Now, this ingredient can be changed because you are mixing McClelland's, let's get a D on the end, McClelland, they make a wonderful Isla mix, or blend, I'm sorry, an Isla blend, which would be fantastic for this. And it costs only a quarter the price of a bottle of Lefroy. So go get some McClelland's Isla, and you can use that as a substitute. 2, eggnog. 3, a Glencairn. For those of you who don't know, that is a scotch glass, a whiskey glass. But if you don't have one, doesn't matter. Anything you can put stuff in will work. How to make it. Take a dram of scotch, add it to your glass, as if you were going to drink it neat. So, pour yourself a neat drink, not 2, 3, 5, 12 full glass of scotch, just 1 dram. Top off the glass, if it's like a rocks glass, a Glencairn, something smaller like that, top it off with eggnog. Stir and enjoy. Carefully. I say carefully because as I created this, I discovered very, very quickly that it goes down smooth. Be careful. You can drink a significant number of these very quickly because it's very smooth. Enjoy them carefully, and be strong. Put a kilt on.